All right, we're back at it. And this is the flow from the previous video, right? Now, what I want to do is go over the HTML portion of sending an email, right? That's where you have a ton more flexibility to make it look, you know, prettier, per se, as to what you're going to be sending over to your prospect or client, right? Or even internally for that matter. So I have my handy my handy dandy Claude here, right? I use the desktop version. So I'm gonna just prompt it and say, I need a custom, well, not custom. I need an HTML code. Actually, before that, I'm gonna put. I typically just use High Claude. What I'm working on. Hi Claude, I am currently building an N8N automation, and I am working currently with the code node or not, whatever, however you say it. Um, and I need the below, right? And the below is I need I don't know why I erased it. I need an HTML code that structures the email um, in a professional manner that has um, a luxury feel background. Um, you help me create the codes, right? So Claude's gonna do what Claude does, and cool, it's gonna create the artifact. There's the HTML, perfect. I'm gonna let it do its thing. While we wait, we're going to actually go into Google, okay? And we are going to test this. So I'm going to put HTML test. Okay, I actually can test this in N8N as well, but we're going to do it here. Clear have it up. Actually, I didn't even need to do that. I forgot that Claude, for the most part, it gives you kind of like, okay, so this is how, this is actually pretty nice. I don't know about the purple. It doesn't, the color combo here, I don't know if I like, but okay, so I banked this out. It looks very nice. So you're going to have your name, and I don't know if I needed this fancy, quite frankly. Um, so this is where customer name is going to go. So let's look at the code. Customer, okay, customer name. I need this to be a variable, okay? So um, let's go back here. So I actually am going to supply um, Claude how the output is. I'm gonna give them this output, and I'm gonna tell it. I'm gonna fix this a little bit. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna bring it back here. Okay. I'm gonna move myself because this I'm just causing situations here. I don't want this secondary thing. So I'm not gonna pass that through. I'm only gonna be passing through the name and the email. Okay. I'm gonna tell Claude, hey Claude, the output looks amazing. However, I forgot to supply you with the previous node's JSON output. The output is shown below. Please adjust the code um, to reflect uh, to have the name and email as variables, right? JSON. Okay, so we'll let it do its thing. I'm gonna pause this for a second because I just got tired. All right, so it's done, and we can see here that it went and added what it's supposed to do, name, email, cool. So I just noticed that I didn't prompt it correctly, but we'll do it this way, okay? Uh, the email, we're gonna change this from text to HTML, okay? And then we're just gonna grab all of this, whatever Claude has provided us. So we're gonna grab the code, we're gonna copy code, great. And we're just gonna expression. This should, where's the, okay, they're the variables, right? So H name, we know it's the name here, and then email, perfect, great. All right, so we're gonna test this and see how it looks. Perfect, it went out. Now I'm gonna check my inbox here. All right, and there you go. So this is the email format, right? So your company name, we haven't given it a company name, right? But you'll add your company name. You can even give it your logo, and it'll do your logo as well. Hello, John. We hope this message finds you well. We're delighted to reach out to you at John with exciting news and updates from our team. Important, your request has been processed successfully. We appreciate and continue your trust. This actually reads really nice. John, if you have any questions or require further assistance or dedicated support teams, this is really good. This sounds really good. Okay. Yeah. You see, so you have a ton of flexibility, right? With the HTML format. You're not doing this. This is why we leverage AI, right? Claude is my preferred LLM that I use. Like I rarely use ChatGPT. I use Claude. I'll probably say 90% of the time. And then I would use Gemini as well. Gemini is really, really good at planning. And then ChatGPT, I use it here and there. I have a subscription because I use ChatGPT and N8N, yes. But when I am chatting through it, like through the web browser, I don't. I have Claude desktop, right? So great. So you guys seen how we can add an HTML to the email. Now, this is not my preferred um, way to do this. I would probably do like um, I would prefer to have it in a code node, okay, and then pass that output to the email. But this works as well, right? This works as well. Um, okay, so now that we got that, I'm gonna stop the video here and let's see how we can further continue just getting our hands dirty. All right, see you next video.